Looking for a healthy and delicious way to start your day? Ever considered a smoothie? Picture this, a refreshing, nutrient-packed meal that you can whip up in under 5 minutes. Smoothies provide a quick, efficient way to consume your daily dose of fruits and vegetables. They're not just versatile, they're customizable too. Want more protein? Add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Need a fiber boost? Toss in some oats or chia seeds. Stay tuned as we delve into 2 amazing smoothie recipes that will surely light up your morning. First up, we have the Berry Blast Smoothie, a fruity delight packed with antioxidants. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with this vibrant, healthful concoction. The ingredients you'll need for this mouth-watering smoothie are a cup of mixed berries, 1 ripe banana, a half cup of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of honey, and a splash of almond milk. Let's kick things off with our mixed berries. The beauty of this ingredient is its versatility. Whether you prefer strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, or a combination of all 3, the choice is entirely yours. These colorful gems are not only bursting with flavor but are also packed with antioxidants that help protect your body from harmful free radicals. Next up is our banana, a staple in any smoothie recipe. This humble fruit adds a creamy texture to our smoothie and is a fantastic source of dietary fiber and potassium. It's great for digestion and helps maintain a healthy heart. Now let's add a dollop of Greek yogurt. This ingredient is a protein powerhouse and a great source of probiotics that promote good gut health. It also lends a delightful tanginess that beautifully complements the sweetness of our berries and banana. Sweeten things up with a touch of honey. This natural sweetener not only improves the taste of our smoothie but also boosts our immunity, thanks to its antibacterial properties. Lastly, pour in some almond milk. This plant-based milk alternative is low in calories, but high in vitamin E, making it a perfect addition to our nutrient-dense smoothie. Alright, now that we have all our ingredients, it's time to blend. Simply add everything into your blender and blend until smooth. If you prefer a thinner consistency, feel free to add more almond milk. And voila, in just a few minutes, you've whipped up a Berry Blast smoothie. This delectable smoothie is not only a feast for your taste buds, but also a boon for your health, thanks to its antioxidant-rich berries, fiber-filled banana, protein-packed Greek yogurt, immunity-boosting honey, and vitamin-rich almond milk. And there you have it, a Berry Blast smoothie perfect for a refreshing start to your day. Next, we introduce the Green Goddess Smoothie, a nutrient powerhouse that tastes as good as it looks. This vibrant concoction is packed with goodness and flavor, sure to kickstart your day or give you that mid-afternoon energy boost you need. Let's dive into the ingredients. First up, we have spinach. This leafy green is a champion when it comes to nutrients. It's loaded with iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and K. Then we have the buttery, delicious avocado. Not only does it give our smoothie a creamy texture, but it also provides healthy fats and fiber. Next on our list is the humble banana. This fruit is not just for monkeys, folks. It's an excellent source of potassium and vitamin B6, and it lends a natural sweetness to our smoothie. To add a little crunch and a whole lot of health benefits, we'll be using chia seeds. These little gems are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. Last but not least, we have coconut water. It's hydrating, filled with electrolytes, and gives a tropical twist to our Green Goddess smoothie. Now let's whip this up. First, add a handful of spinach to your blender, followed by half an avocado and 1 ripe banana. Then, throw in a tablespoon of chia seeds. Lastly, pour in a cup of coconut water. Blend until it's smooth and creamy. You're looking for a consistency that's drinkable but still thick enough to keep you satisfied. Remember, smoothies are flexible. Feel free to adjust the quantities to suit your taste. Want it sweeter? Add more banana? Craving creaminess? Go wild with the avocado. Let's talk about the health benefits of our Green Goddess smoothie. It's a fantastic way to get your daily dose of fruits and vegetables. Plus, the healthy fats from the avocado and chia seeds will keep you feeling full for longer, making this smoothie a perfect meal replacement or snack. Voila! Your Green Goddess smoothie is ready to be enjoyed. Who knew healthy could taste so good? So, there you have it. 2 easy, delicious, and nutritious smoothie recipes. The Berry Blast packed with antioxidants and the Green Goddess a powerhouse of vitamins. Both of these smoothies are as simple to make as they are tasty, and they're a fantastic way to fuel your body with the nutrition it needs. Don't forget to experiment with your own combinations too. So the next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious start to your day, remember these smoothie recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and happy blending.